In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove OneDrive from the Word Save As dialog. If you find that saving your documents frequently defaults to OneDrive instead of your local computer, this guide will help you modify Word's settings to prioritize saving on your computer by default. Let's dive in and tackle this step by step. First, to get started, open any Microsoft Office application of your choice. Whether it's Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, the steps are quite similar. Today, however, we'll be focusing on using the MS Word desktop application as our example. So let's open Microsoft Word. Once you've opened Word, go ahead and start a new blank document. This gives us a fresh workspace to easily navigate the settings without distractions. Now direct your attention to the top left corner of the window where you'll see the File tab. Go ahead and click on File to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Within this menu, you'll need to scroll down until you find Options near the bottom. Clicking Options will open a new window with a series of tabs on the left-hand side. Look for the tab labelled Save and click on it to bring up the Save options for Word. Now here's where you'll make the essential change. Locate the option that says Save to Computer by default. Make sure this box is checked. By selecting this option, you're setting up Word to automatically choose your computer as the default save location instead of OneDrive. It simplifies your workflow, especially if you prefer organizing files on your local system. After you've ensured that this setting is properly adjusted, you can finalize it by hitting the OK button to save your changes and close the options window. Once you've done this, return to your document. Now we'll test this out to ensure everything works as intended. Back in your document, click on File again, and this time select Save. When the Save dialog opens, you should notice your local documents folder coming up as the default location instead of OneDrive. This confirms that Word is set up to save files directly to your computer. And there you have it, you've successfully adjusted your Word settings to remove OneDrive from the default Save As options. Now you can enjoy a smoother and more personalized document saving experience. Remember, this tweak doesn't disable OneDrive altogether, it simply changes the default save preference to your local computer, giving you more control over where your files are stored. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any further questions or need additional guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Happy documenting!